Hello, my name is Kasturi Chaudhary and I was a student of Bhawanipur Design Academy. There I was pursuing fashion designing master diploma, and I met Rajkiran sir, who has become my mentor, and till now every time, every step of my life I have followed what sir has said. Sir is a person who has taught me fashion designing, basically the draping part, amazingly. And the way Sir explains, it's like I have never seen any of a faculty in a creative field teaching like that. So I have just perceived everything of Sir and has made him like a role model. So earlier I have also worked for fashion designers and in boutique also, and was a fashion designer faculty in Dream Zone School at Creative Studies. And I was just a replica of Farkesa, because whatever I learned, I have just make my students taught that. The way sir did the experiments, the way sir used to speak, everything is just like a path for me. And it's so interesting. The fashion industry and the fashion field becomes so interesting, and all the topics of how to design, the design was just a replica of Farkesa, because whatever I learned, I have just make my students taught that. The way sir did the experiments, the way sir used to speak, everything is just like a path for me. And it's so interesting. The fashion industry and the fashion field becomes so interesting, and all the topics of how to design, the design process, everything is just like exploring. Sir never selects a boundary for anyone. It's like a very like free, and I like a lot. And yes, the all interest I gain in fashion designing is only and only for RK sir. He is a mentor, he is a guide, a true teacher who is like a friend, philosopher, and guide for me. And currently, for sir only, I have taken so much of interest in fashion designing. And right now, I am teaching design studies in an international school of Bangalore, and I'm quite successful, innovative, and dynamic in my field. And I think the 1% changed my entire life. The way of my perspective for fashion designing is only RK sir.
I'm myself Tanmoy Roy. I'm a student of Bhawanipur Fashion Academy, and this video goes for you, sir. This is just a respect or the love I show you through this video, and not only to you, to my institute also. And guys, I was never a photogenic person. I was never a selfie-genic, whatever you say. So it's becoming very difficult for me to shoot. Still, I'm trying my best. If I fail, please pardon me. First of all, I'd like to say today whatever I am is just for the institute, the value of education, the quality of education, the quality of knowledge they injected in me. Not only the faculty members, but every batchmates, and their support and their love made me to whatever I am today. Coming to the part, Rajkiran sir, believe me, when I stepped into the college, he was a man of difference. He was a man of difference. I found him something odd in him, but sooner or later, after days gone, I found him not only a skillful person, but also a knowledgeable teacher, highly knowledgeable, and also his creativity is superb. You also know his creativity is superb. Whatever he makes with pen, paper, or some tiny things which he throw was admirable. Was admirable. Today it has been 17 years, and maintaining the same with him. I'm maintaining the same relation with him. Whenever I get down or whenever I need some assist from him, I just call him and he's there. The best thing about him is that he is very, very straightforward. If he needs to speak his own interest, he will be straight to you. I promise he will be straight to you. No back words, no nothing. And at last, sir, you are always an old wine. Be what you are. Thank you. Best of luck.
Hello RK sir, means Rajkiran sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. And my name is Mazapin, and I am from Kolkata. And I was a student of Bhawanipur Design Academy, and I am a fashion designer, and I work in online sale clothes, and I design my own clothes, and I wear clothes of my own design, and my family and friends also wear clothes of my own design. And I purpose of making these videos of mine is this because RK sir, and I like it your thought and ideas sir, and I was also saying that कि thank you so much कि आप पहले सर हैं जो स्टूडेंट की क्लास छोड़ने के बाद भी आप स्टूडेंट के बारे में सोचते हैं, और उन लोगों के लिए कि उन लोगों के लिए बेहतर क्या है, उन लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए, जिन लोगों को रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा है समझ में, आप उनके बारे में भी वैसे भवानीपुर डिज़ाइन अकेडमी के तो सारे ही टीचर्स अच्छे हैं, बट क्लास जब तक होता है ना तभी तक सब सोचते हैं, बट आप क्लास ख़त्म हो जाने के बाद भी सबके बारे में सोच, इसके लिए हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। थैंक यू सो मच कि आप हम लोगों के बारे में इतना सोचे और इतना किए। और अभी जो आप ग्रुप बनाए वो भी बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप है, उसमें बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं, आइडियाज़ हैं, और सबके लिए सबकी सुविधा के हिसाब से आप जिस तरीके से बोलते हैं हिंदी में बात करें या फिर अपने बारे में डिटेल्स दें, क्योंकि अगर अपने बारे में डिटेल्स स्टूडेंट की क्लास छोड़ने के बाद भी आप स्टूडेंट के बारे में सोचते हैं, और उन लोगों के लिए कि उन लोगों के लिए बेहतर क्या है, उन लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए, जिन लोगों को रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा है समझ में, आप उनके बारे में भी वैसे भवानीपुर डिज़ाइन अकेडमी के तो सारे ही टीचर्स अच्छे हैं, बट क्लास जब तक होता है ना तभी तक सब सोचते हैं, बट आप क्लास ख़त्म हो जाने के बाद भी सबके बारे में सोच, इसके लिए हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा सर। थैंक यू सो मच कि आप हम लोगों के बारे में इतना सोचे और इतना किए। और अभी जो आप ग्रुप बनाए वो भी बहुत अच्छा ग्रुप है, उसमें बहुत सारे फ़ायदे हैं, आइडियाज़ हैं, और सबके लिए सबकी सुविधा के हिसाब से आप जिस तरीके से बोलते हैं हिंदी में बात करें या फिर अपने बारे में डिटेल्स दें, क्योंकि अगर अपने बारे में डिटेल्स कोई नहीं देगा तो कैसे समझ में आएगा। ये सब चीज़ जो आप बोलते हैं ग्रुप में आकर के, ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छा लगता है, सबके लिए बहुत अच्छा होता है। आप कहीं ना कहीं सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स का नहीं, कारीगर, टेलर एंड ऑल सबके लिए आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए हम आपको थैंक यू बोलना चाहते थे सर। एंड मेरा ये वीडियो बनाने का पर्पस यही था कि कॉलेज में तो आप मेरे अच्छे सर थे, बेस्ट, बट कॉलेज के बाद भी आप बेस्ट हो। सच में आपका आइडिया बहुत अच्छा होता है सर, आप बहुत हेल्पफुल हो, एंड आप सारे लोगों के लिए बहुत सोचते हैं, बहुत करते हैं, इसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू। थोड़ा इंग्लिश थोड़ा हिंदी उतना चलता है ना सर।
Hi everyone, my name is Chirag Agarwal, and I was a prior student of Bhawanipur College, Kolkata. Currently I am working in Coach Digital as a software analyst. I am here to share my experience with the time I spent in Bhawanipur College and how the teachers mentored me there. So there is this one teacher I would name Rajkiran sir. I was not a very bright student. I just went into fashion field, like I don't know what to do, where to end up. So I just ended up into a fashion field. I was not regular to classes. I didn't much like coming to college, because I was not much interested. Then when we had started classes with Rajkiran sir, I was amazed by the thought process he takes us through, you know. So when we joined his class, it was not a normal class. He just entered, he just told us to cut the fabric anyhow, through any pattern, and you know, make any garment you would like. I was just amazed when he introduced us to a 3D structure garment, where you can just randomly stitch the garment, drape it upon the, you know, the body form, and then tie-dye it in the process we like. Just hang the garment, rotate it, throw the colors, not a normal tie-dye process. So the thought process he took me and everyone through, I was just amazed, and I became a fan of him, you know. So like not just the thought process, the mentorship, the guidance he gives us through the 2 years of education which we go through Bhawanipur is commendable. He just, you know, is not like any other teacher, like just with the books. He takes the fashion and everything seriously, and takes us through all the process practically as well as interestingly. We get to you know, have a hands-on experience being and enjoying it, not just doing the work. So it's like we are not just doing it for the sake of submissions, or you know, we have to do the work. It's like we'll enjoy doing the work, so we'll be more creative, we'll be more you know, trying to do experiments and bring a better thing. So Rajkiran sir, I have a big shout out to you, and I always look forward to you meeting you and, you know, learn new things, great things. Your mentorship has always pushed me to do and achieve great heights in life, and I will sure be connected with you. Thank you.